When it's hot out, nothing sounds better than jumping in a pool to cool off. So testing the water regularly will ensure your pool is always a safe place to swim. Let's get started.
Test strips and testing kits are the two most popular ways to test your chemical levels in your pool. Now, test strips are a fast and easy option to measure total chlorine, free available chlorine, pH, alkalinity, and overall stability of the water. They're also easy to read. Take a test strip and dip it in your pool at elbow length, and then pull the test strip out and compare the results to the chart on the package that it came with. Complete pool test kits take more time than test strips, but they're more accurate. Now, I am using an OTO phenotest for my pool that will test the chlorine level. Now, most OTO phenotests include a pH, alkalinity, stabilizer, and hardness test in the kit too. You start with a clean and dry tube, so there's nothing to contaminate the test. Then, fill the tube with pool water up to the indicator lines. Drop the appropriate amount of the reagent solution into the water sample. Put the cap on the tube and shake it gently to mix up the solution. Compare the color of the water in the tube to the chart provided in the test kit. To keep your pool water chemical levels balanced, here's what you'll need to measure and how often. Free chlorine helps prevent the growth of bacteria and algae and should be tested 2 to 3 times a week. pH improves chlorine effectiveness and protects your pool equipment. Also, test this 2 to 3 times a week. Total alkalinity. This helps prevent the pH from swinging in and out of range and should be tested weekly. Calcium hardness prevents surface damage such as scale and corrosion. Test this monthly. And finally, the stabilizer. It extends the life of chlorine by preventing chlorine burn-off due to sunlight. And this only needs to be tested 2 to 3 times per season. Now, if you have a saltwater pool, you still need to test the water each week. The correct chemical balances should be the same for a chlorinated pool. You also have to test the salt levels each month. There may be times you'll need to test it more often. Having a pool party? Test the pool water before your guests arrive and after they leave. Now, when it rains, a lot of fresh water ends up in your pool, which can make the water more acidic. So, test your pool water as soon as possible. Keep a simple testing schedule, and it will keep your pool beautiful all season long.
Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.